Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open a Changelly account. It's a very super simple process. So here I am on changelly.com. Okay, and then all you do here at the top right, you click on this profile icon. We're not even logged in yet. We don't have an account. That's okay. Once you click on that profile icon, you get this option, create an account. Now you can either continue with an email, right? Use your email address, can even be business email, or you can continue with Google, which is what I am going to use. I'll click here, continue with Google, and then you just choose your Google account. So I'll click on this one right here. We need to allow permissions. So this is what they want to access, right? This is our information. Go ahead and hit continue. Just allow them this. And there we go. We are getting redirected. And as soon as you do that, you do have an account. So here you'll see your transaction history, all your settings, and things like that. And that is how to do it. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.